Hello everyone, this is Ahmed done. A quick video about where to buy cheap but high quality USB-C cable. So definitely you can buy from Amazon, but buying from Amazon may not be an option for everyone. And if you go to stores like Staples and Best Buy, you're going to be paying high price. So I found out that actually IKEA has very good priced USB-C cable. So for example, this is 1 meter 3.3 inch USB-C cable, and this is just not only USB-C, this is also data cable. You can see that 480 Mbps is the speed, so which is very good speed, and this is 3A 5 to 20 volt. So if you are just buying to charge your phones or charge power bank, then you don't need data cable. But if you are looking to transfer data or anything from your phone to computer or the other way, then you need a data cable, and this would serve both purposes. So whenever I'm buying cable, I usually buy data cable. I just don't buy only electric cable. So now this one I bought it for about $4 or $5, and I was really shocked to see that IKEA has lots of cables and they're very well priced. And you're going to be paying a lot less than buying from Best Buy or Staples, and even this product cheaper than Amazon, because similar product on Amazon is like $10-15. So I just couldn't believe that I paid $4 to $5 for this cable. So if you have access to IKEA, definitely you can check out for to buy anything, any cables, and they do have usually good selections of cables and other electronic accessories. So for the next tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.